Good evening, sir. My name is Nathaniel Derel Chan, and my group members, Rico Savia Dolimis and Vikalson Abraham Nelson, is going to present about occupational safety and health for Foundry. So to start off, we have our table of content. First, introduction. Second, potential hazard. Third, analysis hazard. Fourth, proposed solution. Fifth, practical solution. Six, reference. And lastly, seven, the conclusion. To start off my part by talking about the introduction. A foundry is a specialized facility where raw materials, typically metals, are melted and cast into specific shapes. Using molds, foundries play a critical role in manufacturing, producing essential components used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, construction, and heavy machineries. The process involves high precision engineering and a deep understanding of material science, making foundries indispensable in the production of durable and complex metal parts. Modern foundry may also incorporate advanced technologies like automation, 3D modeling, and quality control systems to enhance efficiency and precision. Now I'm going to talk about the potential hazard for foundry workshop. First off, we got high temperature and burns. Second, fire and explosion risk. Third, molten metal splash. And lastly, inhalation of fumes and dust.
Analysis has a high temperature and burns. The impact, exposure to metal and hot surface can cause severe burns, and radiant heat from furnaces pose continuous thermal risk. Second, fire and explosion risk. The impact is contact between molten metal and moisture can cause explosive steam reaction, and combustible materials and gases present a fire hazard. Third, molten and metal splash. The impact when pouring or transferring molten metal may cause dangerous splashes, leading to burns or fire. Last, inhalation of fumes and dust. The impact is metal fumes, silica dust, and other airborne particles can cause respiratory issues.
For each hazard. One of them is high temperature and burns. We can provide and enforce use of heat-resistant glove, face shield, aprons, and flame retardant clothes. For fire and explosion risk, we can ensure that molds, tools, and scrap metals are completely dry before contact with molten metal. Next, molten and metal splash. Standardized safe pouring technique to reduce turbulence and splashing, and inhalation of fume and dust. We can install local house ventilation (LEV) and general ventilation to capture airborne contaminant at the source. Next, I'm going to talk about practical solution for each hazard. One of them is high temperature and burns. We can install portable fans or cooling stations near hot zone. Next, fire and explosion risk. We can store flammable materials in fireproof cabinet away from molten metal areas. Next, they have molten and metal splash. We can require all personnel to wear face shield with chin guard, spade, and leather aprons. And inhalation of fumes and dust. We can conduct monthly a quality check and keep record of result. There was four reference that we use: Wikipedia, max4study.com, camlibrarytext.org, and chatgpt.com. So the conclusion of our slide is foundry work can be dangerous because of heat, fire, molten metal, and harmful fumes. But this risk can be reduced with simple practical steps like wearing proper protective gear, using good ventilation, keeping things dry and clean, and following safe work procedure. When everyone follows safety rules and stay alert, the foundry become a much safer place to work. Safety help protect workers and help the job running smoothly.